Hey, well, this is Quang, and I am in Toronto. We are in the middle of a heat wave, so global warming is real, and we have heat go up to 50 degrees in Canada, and we have forest fire. And recently, as yesterday, we have a fire burned down the entire city. I'm off to pick up a donated T-shirt to do my installation art, to bring attention and be more aware of what we consume in fashion wise, and contribute to the global climate. And everything in the piece I would use basically waste and donated pieces that people are no longer using or are discharging to the landfill. So I'm using all this to create a hookah dresses with expired condom and also use underwear. So stay tuned and I will let you know what it looks like. Ciao! So this is my hog. I didn't expect it this much, so it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge bringing it home because it's shake a little bit when I drive, so it throw up my equilibrium on my bike, but awesome.